हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम बात करेंगे दिसंबर 2010 के लाइब्रेरी एंड इंफॉर्मेशन साइंस के यूजीसी नेट के पेपर के बारे में। लीनियर मॉडल ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन इन नॉलेज बेस्ड ऑन एरिस्टोटल्स मॉडल ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन वाज प्रपोज्ड बाय C.E. Shannon and W. Weaver. ISBN changed from 10 digits to 13 from January 2007. Library legislation refers to the development of public libraries. LIC was founded in the year 1955, which bibliometric law describes the frequency of publication by authors in a given field, that is Lodka's law. Which one of the following protocol used in transferring file over internet, that is TCP/IP? Transistors were used in which generation of computers? Second generation. Unimark was developed under the umbrella of IFLA. How different nodes in a network are connected and how they communicate are determined, that is by network topology. WorldCat is maintained by Online Computer Library Center. Number of states in India which have enacted public library regulation till date is 16. When a source referred to once in the footnote is referred to again and between them no other reference, that is citation, intervenes, then the footnote use the abbreviation, that is IBID. Indexing system in which the coordination of terms is done at the search stage was first introduced by Mortimer Tobe. Index Medicus is brought out as a printed publication monthly. Which publication was not authored by S.R. Ranganathan, that is Ramanujan, the man and the mathematician. JSTOR is an online system for archiving and accessing academic journal. It is located in UK. 260 tag in mark format makes the publication information. Mean, median and mode are measure of central tendency. 5 laws of library science was first published in 1931. ISBD were devised by UNESCO. They are the standards for all type of bibliographic activities. A is false and R is true. WebOPEC is a computerized library catalog available to the patrons online. Reason: it can be searched by the users within the 4 walls of the library only. A is true but R is false. A sample is the representation of a whole. The sample is subjected to observation and analysis. Both are true. Electronic access to information is becoming easy day by day. Reason: the printed materials pouring out of the world presses do not show any decline. A is true but R is false. Use of microfilming is becoming obsolete day by day. Reason: ICT has developed digital technologies which are quick, cheap and easy to handle. Both are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Libraries are changing in the wake of emerging ICT environment. Reason: libraries are adopting new competitions to operate services in the environment of information superhighways. Both are true. In fifth law, the word use in organism, not organization. Reason: the libraries grow in collection, size, human resources, physical facilities and services from time to time. Both are correct and R is the correct explanation of the A. Primary sources is one in which information is original. Secondary sources repack the original information. Both are true. Loose assemble is the process of linking together different classes. Reason: this mode was formerly known as subject bundle. Both are false. Provision of services outside the library regular services center or outlet is essential to reach more and more patrons. A library extension service help libraries to cover larger population of the patrons. Both are true. Arrange the following in chronological sequence. First, Indian Copyright Act, then Digital Millennium Copyright Act, then IT Act, and last Right to Information Act. Are in the following states according to Europe enactment in library legislation. 4. First Karnataka, then Orissa, then Rajasthan, and last Pondicherry. Arrange the following software according to their development. First Koha, then Greenstone, and DSpace, and last ePrint. Arrange the following steps in research in the sequence of their occurrence. Research design, then collection of data, then analysis of data and report writing. Arrange the following chronological according to the year of birth. C.A. Cutter, then Melville Dew, then S.R. Ranganathan, and last B.S. Keswan. Arrange the following chronologically according to their development. First punch card, then floppy disk, then magnetic disk, and last optical disk. Arrange the following according to their development. First CCC in 1934, then Mark II in 1968, then ISBD in 1969, CCF in 1978. The spiral of scientific method involves the following steps in correct sequence, that is first Nadir, then ascendant, then zenith, and last descendant order. Match the following. AACR1 developed in 1967, AACR2 in 1978, ALA code in 1949, CCC in 1934. Match the following. Books in print is trade bibliography. Ulrich International Periodical Directory is the bibliography of periodicals. World of Learning, the directory. Who in India is the biographical sources. Match the following. Henry Fowell for the classical theory, F.W. Taylor for scientific management, Abraham Maslow, that is hierarchy needs, Douglas MacGeorge for the theory X and theory Y. Match the following. E.J. quotes from Things, Property, Material and Action, H.P. Loon, Quick, Derek Austin for the Precise, J. Kaiser for Concrete and Process. Match the following. NTC located at the USA, ITC located at the UK, BLDSC located at the NTC located at the USA, ITC located at the Netherlands, BLDSC located at the UK, NISC at the India. Match the following. India, that is a denudation modes of formation, agriculture of wheat is the lamination of the subject formation modes of formation, biochemistry is fusion, and biological science is the agglomeration. Match the following. That is elements of library classification written by S.R. Ranganathan, Little Science, Big Science written by the D.J.D. Solar Prize, documentation, that is S.C. Bradford, subject approach to information, D.J. Postcat. What are DOIs? The DOIs are alphanumerical character strings for electronic source of information available online. What are the materials covered by DOIs? DOIs cover text, images, audio-visual materials in digital forms. Do DOIs play any role in grouping of information source? DOIs constitute the e-classification scheme to group source of information. What is the major purpose of DOI system? To manage intellectual property. How does DOI system operate? By routes inquiries to relevant sites on the net. Thank you.